In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in to YouTube. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open YouTube application. You can see over here, YouTube has been opened. So whenever you use a YouTube application, you'll automatically be signed into the existing Google account on your device. So if you want to sign into new one, what you have to do is tap on the profile picture that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the account that you're currently signed into. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see other accounts over here. You'll be able to see the existing Google accounts on your device. If you want to add new account, for that what you have to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll actually have to sign into your Google account in order to sign into YouTube. Simply enter your credentials. After that, you'll be able to sign into your account. In order to sign into existing account, what you have to do is simply tap on the account that you would like to sign into. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be signed into that particular YouTube account. So that is how you sign into YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.